Question number 6. George needs to reseed his yard. The yard is in the shape of a trapezoid. Which expression represents the area of the yard? So for this, you need to find the area formula for a trapezoid. You should see the formula usually represented by this area of a trapezoid is this small base plus the big base. There's a bracket in between them because you need to do that first, times the height divided by 2. Now what's left is to essentially identify what is the small base and the big base. For that, you need to understand what is a trapezoid. A trapezoid is when you have two parallel sides and the other two sides are not parallel. Sorry. Right. And the two parallel sides, let me try to draw it better with line. Right. Two parallel sides. Parallel means that the two sides are not getting further away from each other or close to each other. The parallel sides usually have a different length, because if they're the same, what you could be looking at instead will be another shape, right? And then two other sides that are not parallel to each other. That is the definitions of a trapezoid. It is where you have the two parallel sides, that's where we will find our small base and big base. So if you look and analyze this shape that I gave you, the two parallel sides are here and here, right? Remember, parallel side is two lines that are not going closer or further away from each other. Next, we would need to identify the height. The height always make a 90-degree with the base. So hopefully you can see that this is the height, as it made the all important 90-degree with the base. Now that we have identified our small base, large base, and height, we can go ahead with the calculations, right? The small base is 2, the big base is 8, and this needs to be times by height, which is 5, and eventually all of this is going to be divided by 2. But now hopefully you can see that this match option A exactly. So this is how we know that option 8A is the correct answer for question number 6.